Hey, hi Jennifer. I'm glad you are here.
Hey Kai, this doesn't look like a camping spot. This is someone's backyard.
Yes, Jennifer. I'm here to show you different features of a tent.
Oh great, I can't wait to see it.
Okay, I will show you the first tent. Okay, this is just a tarp called MSR Twin. Very easy to set up, lightweight and good for wind compared to normal tarps. Great for beach and forest, but not suitable for mountain if wind can combine with rain. As you can see, I will get wet if there's rain and wind combined. This is a typical double wall tent. This is Haba Annex. They are great for hot and buggy weather. They tend to be smaller and heavier. The main features is the double wall construction. When selecting a tent like this, it is important that the fly or the outer layer is longer enough to cover the ground. It's best to pack the tent with the door on the downwind. This is because the rain might come through the zipper if the wind is strong. As you can see, if the door is facing the wind, I can get wet easily. This is a typical single wall tent. Very light, very waterproof, but poor ventilation. Great for cold weather. The construction is such a way that rain is very difficult to get in except the door. You see what I mean? These three tents construction are the most common in the market. Next time, I will show you what to put in the tent so that you can enjoy most creature comfort at home.
Sure, I can't wait.